How to promote a local tattoo shop. So you want to build more status in your local tattoo community? We could be talking about Facebook ads, Google ads, even printed ads if you want to go really local. But not everybody has the budget or the skills to do this in a professional way. Let me tell you what we often overlook. Imagine it's Monday evening and you are searching for a restaurant. You're scrolling on Google and you find two favorites. Which one are you gonna pick? That's right, the one with the best reviews. People believe people more than they believe the business they're buying from. If you can have somebody else telling them that you're good, it's worth the 10x of you telling you're good. That's what we call social proof. And the more social proof you can gather, the faster your business will grow. So from tomorrow on, start collecting reviews from every customer walking into your door. And if that feels kind of awkward, because sometimes it is, you could also choose to have it automated. And that's exactly what Tattooagenda does. One day after the appointment, you send out one very simple plain text email to your customer asking for a review with a link to your Google Places. You would be surprised how many customers really react to that email. They even send you replies to it. It still feels very personal, and it helped my business personally a lot. In the past, my reviews were growing steady, but not super fast. From the minute that I implemented this strategy, our reviews have grown way faster, up till now over 600 reviews on my Google Place. For all our franchise studios, we implement the same strategy. I can tell you, the bigger the city it is, the more important reviews become. In a bigger city, people don't rely so much on the local community. They have to look up data themselves instead of asking their neighbor, for example. And this is exactly the moment where your reviews become very important. If your shop has the highest amount of reviews on Google Places, this is the best social proof you can ever have. If you are on top of all the other studios, only by amount of reviews, this will show other people that a lot of people were happy with your studio, and because of that social proof, they will choose to come to your place and not the ones below you. If you want me to help you out with setting up the whole system where you can automatically ask every customer to make a review about your studio, check the link in the description.